What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Elrond Egld and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Elrond here, Egld. We're doing 6 videos today with a lot of people's requests, by the way, so if we haven't done your video recently and you did request one, we'll probably be doing it today, so make sure to check back. We're doing 6 videos today, and we'll most likely be doing your crypto if you've requested it. So taking a look at Elrond here, we can see exactly what's happened straight away, can't we? Something that we highlighted in our previous video. You can see this previous resistance got flipped into this previous support, sorry, got flipped into resistance here. We've actually come down on the 19th of May, just like everything, and formed a range, haven't we? And this is the top of our range here. As you can see, this previous level of support flipped into resistance. Obviously, we broke down below it, and we've only just retested it here, haven't we? So you could argue we've obviously got our smaller range looking something like this, which we've actually broken out of really nicely here. We come down, we come up, we form our range, I guess you could say here. We come down, we keep coming down, we hit the bottom of our channel here. You could say potentially, you know, at the time you could have said this was the bottom of the range and then this was the bottom, and then obviously the fake out to the downside. But realistically, overall, we've obviously got a range that we put in. We come all the way down. This is the bottom that we formed, that we knew at the time. Obviously, we got big bullish divergences. Once we broke out of this resistance we were stuck under, and we broke out of the 20 as well, things were looking really good for a reversal, weren't they? Because let's be honest, Elrond was getting horribly oversold. We've got bullish divergences all over the place as well. You can see histogram coming up, momentum to the downside decreasing. Lots of signs of the reversal, which we did get. And you can see we came all the way up here. If I can just put this back. We come all the way up here. Got stuck under the 55. Come down again. Retest previous support. Form this, I know, potentially big inverse head and shoulders, you would say. Something like this. And then if that was the case, I mean, let's just look at the technical target of that just for argument's sake. You can see, I mean, we've pretty much bang on nailed our technical target for that inverse head and shoulders if that was the case. Really good to see. But obviously, you know, we come down, we retest previous support, we make a higher low. So we broke our trend here, higher high, higher low, higher high. So you can see, obviously we had our trend high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now made a higher high, higher low, higher high. We've broken our trend. Really bullish to see. Broke through the 20, consolidate between the 20 and the 55, really bullish. Broke through the 55. Obviously we come up here, broke past this resistance, ran all the way up, got stuck under the range high here, but broke through it. We come all the way up to then at the overall range high at this level here of around $140. Come up and then we come back down, retest the range, really good to see. And now it looks as though we're desperately clawing and fighting to try and break through this level of resistance here. And it looks as though we are wicking down off of it currently, so it is acting as a very strong resistance. So to take a look at the hourly chart here, you can see we actually did break up above it here. We tried to come back down, retest it, but we lost it. And now we've come up again, and now we're currently back testing it again on our hourly time frame. Potentially for that continuation, if we do see that bounce from here, I mean, we're going to be looking at some very nice upside for Elrond, aren't we? Just take a quick look at the next level of resistance on our daily time frame. We would say realistically, we're probably coming up to around this 170 level. This would be our short-term price prediction if we do start to break up to these levels. Let me just outline this here. We would be looking at around that 170 level there. If we do start to basically run away from this previous resistance, flipping it into support right now. But obviously, if we do start to break down inside here again, we will be looking at back testing potentially this level at around 120. That previous range high level of resistance flipped into support would be really, really good. So potentially a back test here and then a run up to 170, or just a clean run up to 170 if we do start to essentially just hold this area as support and then just start to run away with things, because you can see on the hourly time frame, it looks as though we've tried to break out, we've come back down inside, we've come up again, and now we're back testing as support. If we do start to run up, obviously there's not any resistance really in between here and that 170 level, which would be our next target if that was the case. So that short-term price prediction would be at that 170 level. But if we do roll over, 120 would be our rolling over target for that, basically that back test before continuation. Because we've broken out of this range, haven't we? We want to back test the range as support now and move onwards and upwards to that 170 level. And then going into the remainder of the bull run, let's just take a look at some fib extensions on this recent move here. So we've got Elrond, obviously we'll drag it from the high to the low here. Let's just make sure this is pretty bang on. Something like this. And then obviously looking at our fib extensions here, you can see obviously there's a lot of people saying that an Elrond token over $1,000 is complete FUD. But when you actually look at your fib extensions, it does seem quite possible, especially when you consider, you know, what Elrond has actually done recently. If we look at the previous impulsive move here, for example, we've got our price, we've come all the way down here. We actually come all the way up here. What level did we get to here? We're well into our 227 extension, aren't we? We actually come down and held the 161 here as support pretty perfectly, didn't we? We obviously tried to grind our way up to the 227, but we actually rolled all the way back here. What did we actually bounce off of on this impulsive move, just for argument's sake? Let's just take a look. On this 127, you could say, but you had a decent bounce here. And if we look at where the move got impulsive previously, I think you'll probably find that we'll most likely be bouncing on the 618. Let's just drag this in correctly. And you can see pretty much come down. We touched the 618. We basically come back up, held it as support and ran away with things, didn't we? So pretty clear there's a lot of confidence for some decent upside here. And as you said, with Elrond basically having an all-time high of around $250, we do strongly think this is going to be over $1,000 by the end of the bull run. Considering the market cap as well and everything that they're building, we're realistically probably going to be coming up to around that $1,000 mark. I think a 4 or 5x from the all-time high doesn't seem unreasonable at all, considering the market cap was only 3 or 4, maybe 5 billion. So lots of room to grow in our opinion, considering how good this project is. All the smart contracts are going to start pumping as well. Smart contract platforms. Elrond is no exception. We do think around $1,000 is very possible. And then coming up into our extension fully, probably that $1,500 price target would be around the top of our extensions realistically. Unless we get some absolutely explosive news, these would be some of the price targets we're looking for. But we do think Elrond is a top project, really, really good fundamentals. Probably going to do very well, so. That's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.